The commissioner of Panyakang County in Upper Nile State called for ceasefire between army groups following heavy fighting in the area in recent days. Commissioner Mustafa Gailwal say rival force loyal to leader of the Kitgwang splitter group, General Simon Gadwidwell and General Johnson Ulun have been engaged in fierce fighting, leading to civilian casualties. On July 20th, fighting broke between these forces of Agwelek and those under Simon Gadwich, and the 1st of August, there was another conflict that erupted. The group came once more attack the Agwelek force there, the commissioner said. But iRadio could not verify the accusation of offensive by the force of General Gadwich Dwell. Malwal told iRadio on Friday that at least 2 civilians were killed and 7 others are unaccounted for in the latest fighting, which took in Tunga area early this week. I received report on the ground at Tunja that there were casualties from civilian side, that 2 hunters were killed and 7 other citizens went missing. There are not found up to now. The commissioner appealed for cessation of hostilities between the rivaling group to allow for free movement of ordinary citizens who have been unable to move due to the fighting. We call on our brothers at Tunger Payam to sit down and solve the conflict between them. As always, when there's a war or conflict between soldiers, ordinary citizens are the ones who suffer, he said. The leader of the SPLM-IO splitter group, Simon Gadwidwell and Johnson Ulun, had fallen out in the recent month, shortly after signing an agreement with the government in Sudan. In June, the SPLM-IG and the whole-out Kitgwang Agwelek force say they have started implementing the security arrangements. General John Udong, who headed the delegation of SSPDF to Manyu County of Upper Nile, say the integration of the opposition forces started. However, General Gadwidwell, the former SPLM-IO Kitgwang leader, expressed doubt over the process.